Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to clean out your deck with one of these deck port jacks. You need a water hose, you need a quick disconnect for a deck, for a mower deck. It's a quick disconnect, and you can buy these on Amazon if your mower doesn't come with one. You just hook the quick disconnect on your deck like that. But first, you got to put it on your water hose. So let's get that on there. Alright guys, once you get the quick disconnect attached to your water hose, simply attach it to your deck, and then you got to turn your water on. And with this, guys, I'd recommend turning your water hose on to max capacity, so it's just gushing out from underneath your deck. Then you simply start your mower, and then have your mower running wide open. That's all you do. Turn your deck, engage your blades. I'd lower it down to the ground as low as possible. This way you're not flinging that crap up everywhere. And that's how you clean out your deck, guys, with a quick disconnect. Let's turn it back on. Let's get it done. That's how you do it, guys. I'm gonna let this run for a few more minutes. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button. You all like, share, subscribe. Y'all have a great day.